What's going on, guys? This is Eddie Crook from the Crooked Board coming at you from Greer, South Carolina. Yes, I did shave, and yes, I did get a haircut. But who cares about that? We have a special recipe today, and it's coming from my buddy Andrew the Cooler Guy, and it is called Tequila Lime Marinated Chicken. And the best part about this is you can put your best rub or your best seasoning. Heck, you can use 2 or 3 different seasonings on it like we did. So without wasting any more time by flapping these jaws, let's get to it. Well, today we are not going to bore you with making the marinade because it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. You just throw it in a bowl, mix all the ingredients together, and get it ready for the chicken. But if you would, please like and subscribe to the channel, especially if you like the content. Hit that notification bell. It helps the channel out tremendously and keeps us going and lets you know when we are doing new content. Now today we're probably going to use 2 different spices on this chicken, and that's the best part about the recipe. You just use, whatever you want to do. So I've already patted down the chicken, drained it, and it's ready to go in the pan. So we're going to divvy up all these chicken thighs and chicken breasts and to 2 pans. As you can see on the counter, we already have like some spices pulled out, the mayo for a binder, because that is probably the best binder for chicken. Here we go with the original sweet and spicy barbecue rub from the Crooked Boar. But I don't think we're going to use this today. I think we're going to use our new batch, the Mexican. And then we're probably going to use Suckle Buster's Sweet Heat, because I'm telling you, that right there is a good little seasoning. And again, we're using Hellmann's. You can use whatever mayo that you like. Doesn't matter what your preference is. If you don't like mayo, hey, let me know what you like to use for a binder on your chicken. So here we go, the messy part. Good gosh. I'm telling you, this is the one part I can't stand, is trying to put all this mayo on a chicken for a binder. But I'm telling you, man, mayo is where it's at for a binder. The fats on it keeps the chicken extremely moist, and and plus on top of that, it just keeps the seasoning on really well. And of course, trying to keep one hand clean while you're doing this is almost impossible, but I've been doing it long enough to where I'm decent at it, I guess. Here we go with the Suckle Busters. Now I'm going to let you know, warn you straight from the get-go, when you are sprinkling this seasoning on, the black pepper, and it's going to invade your nostrils, and you're going to start coughing up a storm. So just be prepared. Of course, I had to cut some of this out because it started getting to me there pretty hard there for a minute. And here we go with the Mexican. Hopefully this is going to be out within the next couple months, is the plan anyway. We'll see. So what we do when we cook our chicken to approximately 160 degrees. 165 is where you want it to be when you're ready to eat. But we cook it to 160 degrees, well, 160, 161. Throw it in a pan, cover up with aluminum foil, throw it in the oven or a cooler, and they will finish cooking off to 165 degrees, and your chicken will come out great every single time. If you cook it over 165 degrees, they start to dry out, especially chicken breasts. But like I said, the mayo will help. And I know you guys out there, some of you guys are like, oh my gosh, mayo, 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 I hate mayo. Trust me, you don't taste the mayo. All you taste is just the seasoning. So after you generously put everything on, the seasoning on, that's what it should look like. And here's our 3 seasonings. Here we go with a nice little pick of the flippage. Of course, we're cooking this stuff on the Kamado Joe, the Big Joe, as it's called. Absolutely love this grill. Absolutely love it. Here's our finished product, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the juices coming off this chicken. And you want to talk, I'm telling you, it comes out great. The juiciest chicken you'll ever make. Well, have a great day. Have a great Memorial Day. See you soon.